And today I'm going to be teaching you guys a lesson about 3D objects and volume. So first, do you guys know what a 3D object is?
Yeah.
All right, can one of you explain it? Okay, so a 3D object is like, it's a shape that's not flat and it pops out at you, right? So like your water bottle, right? That's a 3D object. A 3D object is made up of, or specifically a cube, is made up of a face, which is the flat part. So as you can see there, the vertices, which are like corners, and edges, which are where two faces meet. Does everybody get that?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. So do you guys know what volume is? You in the back.
Me? Okay. Volume is the space it takes up, is the space inside is the space inside the 3D object.
Yeah, that's actually a really good definition. You in the front?
Volume is basically where you can turn something down or up to make it louder or lower noise.
So yes, that is one definition of volume, but in this case, volume is the amount of space a 3D object takes up. For example, that water bottle over there takes up a specific amount of volume, right? Another definition of volume is how much cubic units of water or some kind of liquid it can hold. So, for example, that water bottle could, let's just say a random number, could hold 56 cubic units of water, right? So cubic units can be like cubic feet, cubic inches, anything that fits that, but for ease of understanding with this, we're just going to use cubic units. Does everybody get that? Does everybody understand? All right, awesome. So how to calculate volume? Can you guys explain it? You in the back?
Length times width equals.
That is correct. It also says it on the board here. So this is like a demonstration of what you guys are actually going to be doing today, right? So it looks a little bit different because you guys have larger pieces than I do. But for example, this object here, right? So can anyone tell me what the length of this object is? It's probably a little hard to see.
2 blocks.
Yeah, but so for this, we're going to be using these on top here. These are studs. So in this case, the length here would be 4 studs, right? Or 2 blocks. But since you guys are going to be using different than these 2x2s, it's, yeah. Can anyone tell me what the width is? You in the back?
Could you like flip it to the side so I can take a photo?
Oh yeah, it is 6 studs. I just put this together a little weirdly. But yeah, that is correct. Can anybody tell me what the height of this object is?
1.
Yeah, it is 1. So what did you guys say the length was again? How many did you say? Yeah, 4 studs. We're measuring with these little dots up here, which are studs, right? It's a little hard to see from here, but that's what we're going to be measuring with this for this lesson. So I'm going to do 4, right? What did you guys say the width was? Yes, 6 studs. Perfect. So 4 times 6. What did you guys say the height was again?
1.
Yeah. Times 1. So what is that? 24. Perfect. Good job. It's 24 cubic units, right? Because this is measured in cubic units. Cool. So this is going to be what you guys are actually doing today. Let me explain the instructions. So what's going to happen is first, you guys are going to be in groups of 2, or in the back is going to be a group of 3, and that group up there is also going to be a group of 3. So yeah. The rest of you are going to be groups of 2. So choose one person from your group to come up here and grab one worksheet and one bag of Legos. So what you're going to do is you're going to build a 3D object in your group using the provided Legos. It's going to be 20 2x4s, one 16x16 plate to build on. That's not going to contribute to the actual volume. And then you're going to find the length, width, and height of your 3D object using the studs on each individual Lego brick, right? And then when you're finished, raise your hand, and I'm going to come over and check your work and see how you guys did. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Yeah, you in the back?
So, I play with Legos a lot, and
You taught me something new today. For this example, we're just going to be using the brick itself as the height. It's a little easier that way.
Length? So the length would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is the length. 14. 1, 4, 14. And
What's
then
the
the width would be this. This? You mean this? Because this is the one I just counted, right?
no, you just counted this.
Are you sure?
Yep.
But this one's 12, and we just counted 14. And then 1.
Now we need height. 1. 14 times 12.
14 times 12.
Right, that's the area of the base plate. What you're doing there is you're finding area,
Not volume.
not volume. So what are you guys building?
It's not the same. So 8, 8, 8, 8.
Nice.
Height is gonna be 2. Then I'm guessing our length is gonna be. What should our length be?
8. It's all 8.
Our length will be 8.
All of
And then our length
our
will
length
be
is
8. And then we're gonna times that. So 8 times 2
Well, if you
equals,
want to show your work, you can show it on the back of the paper too.
I know, equals 16. Then 16 times 8 equals.
Well, hold up. That wouldn't exactly be correct, because what you'd have to do is you have to do 8 times 8 and then times 2.
Wait. Oh.
So,
So then that would be 40. No, 42, right?
no.
Wait, hold up.
to break
8,
it to you,
16,
but I think I found another way to build it.
32, 40, 48. Here, no. 56. Then
What are you trying to do?
plus 4, 64
Yeah, and then 64 times 2.
equals 128.
Good job.
Look at this. Look at this. I couldn't fit it.
We can make a little garage. We can make
So what are you guys building?
We just built a normal
We just
square.
made a
Cool.
Yeah.
You guys having any trouble with the math? Or?
No, we're good. Yeah, we just made a little mistake.
Yeah, 168. I think you guys got it. So that group over there is ready to trade. Yeah. So if you look at the instructions, what you're gonna do is you're gonna trade the object you created with that group over there. These two would be over here, right? Because pretty much what you're showing me with this corner. Because if you don't, if we just, because what you're showing me is you're showing me that you move this here and then this in here, right? Which would look like this. Something like that. It would look kind of weird. Right?
We did this one.
Yeah. So
32.
pretty much what you want to do is you want to use this volume. You want to like make an
We have to
object.
try to get 256.
Yeah, that's the goal. Thank you guys very much for allowing me to come in here and teach you guys. It was actually a very fun experience.
No. Post it on Google Classroom.
What do you
Bye.
say, guys?
Thank you.